Come on in, come on up, come on over for the merriest time of year. Come on up, come on in, get together for a good time.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. So in today's video, I will be taking down all the fall decorations and decorating for Christmas. Now, I'm only decorating the living room because I did not expect to be decorating on this day. This was a Sunday and we had planned to go get our Christmas tree, but it was raining. Oh my gosh, it rained all day. Plus, I was pressed for time because on this day, or on this weekend, my son was with his dad, so I had to go and leave the house by 4:30. So this was about noon when I started, and I just went upstairs to the attic and brought everything down and decided to decorate. But to be 100% honest, I was not in a decorating mood, but I really wanted to get it done because I am going to have a very, very busy December, and honestly, we don't even know when we are going to go get our Christmas tree. So this day was a Sunday, so I'm doing this voiceover on a Wednesday, and I think that we might go this weekend, which is the weekend of the 5th. So hopefully we'll have a Christmas tree by then, but I am not even sure that that's going to happen because, like I said, we are just super, super busy. But enough of that. Here is all my Christmas decorations. Now, I did not get anything new. I did get some stuff last year at the end of the season, which is all right here. I went to Burlington and they had really good deals, and I love the flocked look. So everything that I have here is from last year. The only thing I got new this year, I think I got a few things at a Target dollar spot, but every single thing is from last year. I am not going to buy anything new. The only other thing I might buy is stockings. I don't like the stockings that we have, so I am definitely on the lookout for some white ones. But that's it, you guys. I have nothing new. Everything is from last year, and then some of the stuff I got at the end of the season, so I will be using that as well. I also did get some stocking holders at Walmart last year for like 79 cents. I thought they were really pretty, but I didn't like the gold, so I went ahead and spray painted them white, and I loved how they turned out. And also the garland that I'm putting up, I actually took them all outside and I spray painted them white so to make them look flocked, and I liked it. I like the way it turned out. Now, definitely for next year, I will be getting different types of garland. I really want to go to Michael's. I saw this beautiful garland about 6 feet. It was just flocked and so full, and I just fell in love with it. But I really didn't want to get anything for this year just because this year has been, well, everyone knows how this year has been, and I was just not in the mood to Christmas shop. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, leave it a thumbs up, and let's go ahead and get into decorating.
Swinging Christmas, just like 1, 2, 3.
Okay guys, I'm a big fan of the command strips and the command hooks, but right here I peeled off this one and it peeled off the paint. I was so upset because command strips are not supposed to do that. That's why they are stupidly expensive, but this is the second time it's happened, and I said to myself I will not use them again. And here you see me, I was showing my husband. He was like, it's okay, we can go ahead and just paint it, because we did go to Home Depot and we had them match the paint because this happened in the kitchen. So yeah, but I was so mad. It just looks like a big ugly spot now until I go ahead and sand it down and paint it. I don't know why they do that. Command strips are not supposed to do that. That's the whole point. That's like their whole entire, spiel when they have, their commercials. It's just supposed to come off really, really easy. But I don't know if it's just the paint. This is, of course, when we bought our house, this is all builder grade paint. So I think it's flat, like a flat sheen. So maybe that's what it is. I don't know, you guys, but this is the second time it's happened to me.
Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. They said, Saint Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. They said, Saint Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. Snowfall frozen, neck is frozen. Catch me rolling, I'm the chosen. Snow is falling, Elfie's calling. Check my list twice, most of y'all done. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. They say, Saint Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. They said, Saint Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. Dasher, Dancer, Prancer, and Vixen, Comet, Cupid, Donner, and Blitzen. No, I can't forget about the one with the red nose. When I fly high, my sleigh still stay 10 toes. Bring the beat, bring the trees, put the lights up. 'Tis the season. Need no Grinch types, no Ebenezer. Don't believe this. Y'all need Jesus. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. They said, Saint Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. They said, Saint Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. They said, Saint Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. They said, Saint Nick, what you got up in that bag. I got racks in my sack or in my bag. Merry Christmas, everybody.
Alright guys, so here is what I ended up with this evening. This is not finished, but this is what I ended up with. So just give you a quick, I kept it very minimal, very simple. I have to finish up with all these bins. There's still a bunch of stuff in there that I need to take out, but I am pressed for time, so this is all I got done. And these are pillow covers that I ended up getting last year, like at the end of the season. I will not link them down below because I do not recommend them. They were just really hard for me to put the pillows in. They did not unzip all the way. So I don't recommend these. I still think they're kind of cute. So I put them out, but I might change them. I'm not sure. And here, these stocking holders here, I got at Walmart last year for like, I don't even know, 79 cents, but they were gold and I spray painted them white. I still have 2 more, I think, that I need. They're drying out on the porch. These are stockings we had last year. I'm thinking I'm gonna change these, so this might not be here. I don't know, the next few weeks. I think I'm gonna get some white stockings for all of us, so I think those are definitely gonna change. And that's it. And then this wreath I got at Burlington last year, but I added the little red berries to it because it just looked a little plain to me. And then here, once again, just very simple. All I did was take some garland. I don't even know where I had this, where it came from. I spray painted white to make it look like it was flocked, and that is it. And then pretty much used everything I had last year. Very, very simple. I did not want to do anything too big. This has been a very just, oh, what a year. But this month has been very, very busy, November, and then my December is going to be super busy as well. So, but that is it, you guys. I might add the poles here. I might add that in this video. If not, that will be a second video. But wanted to show you that. Oh, and I also put a wreath, I'll just walk to it, up here at the front. This wreath I got at Burlington for like $2 at the end of the season. I thought it was cute. It just had a bow in the back, and I think I left it in the video. I cut it off, but I think it was super cute. I liked it, so put it up here. And that is it. Now I just got to pick up this mess and go pick up my son. So I will see you guys either in the next video or maybe tomorrow. I might do, like I said, these poles right here, wrap them in garland. Apparently I forgot to show you guys this little side table here. This is what I did here. This is all from last year, every single thing except this tray that I got at the Target dollar spot, which I still have the tag on there. I gotta take it off. I got it a few weeks ago. And these little ornaments here I got at Dollar General. I thought they were super cute, so I just put them out here and I left them with their little string there. I think I'm gonna stop actually and go get some more and put those in like the tier tray in the bathroom possibly, but I definitely have to cut that tag. I totally forgot about that. But yep, and then milk for Santa, and then reindeer treats, and then the little plate for Santa and his cookies. Alright guys, and that is it for you today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is just a part 1 of my Christmas decorating. I am still not done. I still have to decorate the kids' bathroom and possibly our bedroom and our bathroom and the kitchen. I'm not sure what I'm going to do in the kitchen, but I'm definitely going to give it something, a little something for Christmas. I know I decorated it last year, but like I said, I have not been in that mood. Hopefully that will change. I've just been very busy with work and with life. So yeah, but I will definitely come back with a part 2. I definitely want to do our poles in the living room and wrap some garland around them. And then, like I said, maybe do something in the kitchen. So I'll definitely be going to either Michael's or Walmart just to see what I can find. Not anything big, not anything too fancy, just simple, very simple. We also have to change our letterboard from hashtag pumpkin everything to something Christmassy. But that is it for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.